To make sweet potato pie, we are using 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. Using a paring knife, pierce the sweet potatoes all over. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Then transfer them to a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Now bake the sweet potatoes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or until the sweet potatoes are very soft and the skin wrinkles when pressed. And after 1 hour, get the sweet potatoes at the oven and let them cool off completely, about 30 minutes. And once the sweet potatoes have cooled off, go ahead and peel them and add them into a food processor. You do not want to boil your sweet potatoes for this particular recipe. By baking the sweet potatoes, they release moisture that otherwise would end up in your sweet potato pie. Nobody wants a watered down sweet potato pie. Ew. Yo, get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. I hope you do try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know in the comment box down below. By using a food processor, we ensure that the sweet potato pie has a smooth filling. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. And once the sweet potatoes are creamy and smooth, transfer into a large mixing bowl. Then add 1 cup of evaporated milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and use pure vanilla extract. Thank you. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 large eggs, 1/8 of a teaspoon of Chinese 5 spices, 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg, and 1/2 a teaspoon of table salt to balance things out. Then whisk to combine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. We are using a 9-inch store-bought frozen pie crust. If you want to make your pie crust from scratch, go ahead and do so. Honestly, ain't nobody got time for that. Pour the potato pie mixture into the pie crust. Give it a quick shake to make sure we have no bubbles. Now bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 minutes, or until the filling is puffed and the center barely wobbles when shaken. And if everything goes according to plan, your sweet potato pie will look like this. Transfer your sweet potato pie to a wire rack and let it cool off completely. And once the sweet potato pie has cooled down completely, go ahead and serve. You may serve with whipped cream and garnish with ground cinnamon. And there you have it, creamy sweet potato pie. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.